In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template on HubSpot. If you're new to using HubSpot or just want to streamline your email communication, creating a personalized template is a great way to start. So whether you're crafting a mass email marketing campaign or a simple routine message, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started by heading over to the HubSpot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot's URL. Once the homepage loads, look to the upper right corner and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page. For a seamless sign-in experience, you can choose the Sign In with Google option. Once you select that, enjoy the convenience of picking your Google account to access HubSpot without needing to remember another set of passwords. As soon as you're signed in, direct your attention to the navigation bar where you'll see several options. Click on CRM. This section houses all customer relationship management tools, and it's where we're going to create our email template. With CRM opened up, take a look at the sidebar menu and find the Message Templates option. Click on it. This will bring you to the area where all your email templates are organized and managed. Ready to create something new? Click on the New Template button. This begins the process of crafting your unique email layout. HubSpot offers several starting points, but for today, we're going to begin by clicking on From Scratch. This option allows for full customization, providing you with a blank canvas to design an email that fits your specific needs. Now that you're in the template editor, let's start by giving your template a name. This will be how you identify it in your template library, so choose a name that is both descriptive and memorable. Once that's set, move on to the subject line. This is the first thing your recipients will see, so ensure it's clear and enticing enough to grab their attention. We're diving into the main section now, adding the body of your email. Here is where your message takes shape, where you can include text, images, links, and formatting that aligns with your brand's voice and visual identity. Take your time to ensure that everything you include is both engaging and relevant to your audience. Once you're satisfied with how your template looks, the final step is to save your creation. Find the Save Template button and click it. This will ensure that all your efforts are stored safely and can be easily accessed and reused whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've just crafted an email template on HubSpot from scratch. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently manage and enhance your email marketing or communication strategy. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and refine your template as needed. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.